This is how to use the 3M DT2000 network cord tester. So it's got a bunch of these little adapters in it that lets you find things as far as locating. So if you had 5 different network ports throughout a house and you wanted to figure out which one it was from your utility room, you could actually go out and you take one of these guys and you plug this into the wall and plug this into it. And it also works for coax cable, but you plug this into it and it's an identifier of B. And so what it'll do, so you go and do that, you come over to the tester and you're going to set it, and it's called location or LOC. So you push that so that it was down. You'll leave this so that it's up for straight, and then you would just push this. So this one here is the A, and you want to locate it, and so it would say, and it's going to go, oh look, it's A, so you can see it's an A. So that says this is the A one. Okay. Another thing that you use this for is you use it to test a network cable, make sure that it's good. A regular network cable is a straight through, and I utilize the 368B scheme on all of the punch downs and in the cables. So all the cables are a straight pass through, and the scheme of this is that 568B. So when I do a new punch down block or a cable, and then what you do is you set it to map, and then you can work your way through. And what happens is that when it's flashing green and green red, that means that those two lines are good. And so when I do this now, I'm going to work my way through this cable. So it's saying that 8 and 1, and there's 8 wires inside of this. 8 and 1 are in a good spot. So the 1 here is matching the 1 here, and the 8 in here is matching the 8 in here. So, and then I'm just going to work my way through, and it says that 7 and 2 are good, 6 and 3 are good, 5 and 4 are good, and then it kind of matches itself and works its way across. So right now, that tells me that that's a good cord. So if I had a bad cord, then I had one yesterday, I had a bad cord, and I got to number 6, and 6 was green, and it should have a corresponding red-green flashing on 3, and it didn't. So that told me that cord was either bad inside of it, or then it was a made cord, so when I made it, one of the wires got misflipped inside of it when I pushed it in to try to make it. So that's how this works. So down for location, which is when you're trying to use this to find different spots in the house, and up is map, when you're just trying to run through and make sure a cord's good, or that you've got a connector that you built, or a punch down block, and make sure that it's valid. And you want to have that when you do the map, you want it to be up for straight. Cross pinning, don't worry about that. Never use that. That's the old world.